decisions going forward. But you can't put out speculative talk about, well, this is what I'm hearing, that's what I'm hearing, until you see that actual firm, like New Orleans is seeing their actual firm now. That is the firm that they're looking to adopt. And then it is not even the final firm, because they will give that to FEMA, and then FEMA will take it and listen to all the appeals, and then come back with, this is the firm that you need to accept or not accept. And that'll probably be December or January of next year. December of this year, January next year. So I want you to understand, anything else beyond with mapping, and that's speculative. What we're seeing in those mappings, your biggest impacts, and if I took those areas, your biggest impacts are areas that are in unprotected or unmitigated areas. Okay? If I'll just use a glaring one, okay, which is New Orleans. Most people are familiar with Venetian Isles. Okay? They are going to get hammered in this thing because they're outside the levee protection. You talk to anybody that knows what those are going to VE zones, and they're going at higher elevations than what they were based on the 1984 firm. So as a result, it's going to go significantly up. I gave you my mother and father's as an example here, because technically they're completely exposed off of Car Drive. Okay, and that's something. But that's the areas that basically that I see from looking at basically what I call the Katrina 5, but this is really number 6, St. Tammany, that is getting hammered in Louisiana. Yes?
According to engineering for the Bayou Liberty area, which is where I live, like getting on new construction, they told me that we were going to a V zone, and that our new base for whatever it's called was going to be at 12 feet.
Again, that's an indication. It won't be finalized until the firm's finally adopted.
You seem fine one, but okay.
Yeah, there's not. Let me say this: I'm dealing with these. If you talk to any FEMA official and he can say this is definitely going to be the zone and this is definitely going to be the BFE, I will tell him, then why the hell is there an appeals process?
Okay, so that LSU Ag map that you can go to,
it is an indication. That was the original firm put out by FEMA, the original prelim put out by FEMA for St. Tammany, which is going to be revised. Okay, it's an indication as of that date. Okay, so you can't sit there and say it's the final. Because right now, like I said, as solid as the Orleans Parish map is, okay, it still has to go through the appeal process. And there will be changes made to it through that appeal process as they get additional scientific and engineering data. And once they take it in, then when it comes back and that local government says we accept it, then you can bank it. Otherwise, it's basically, you know, then what you're telling me is if they're that firm on a BFE and they're that firm on a zone, that's their indication, in my opinion. If they're that firm, then I would tell that FEMA official, then why the hell you put people through an appellate process?
So how long would that appeal process possibly take to where it gets?
Well, like I said, they went to open house 2 weeks ago in Orleans and Jefferson and St. Bernard, and we expect their maps December or January next year. That's the best indication I can give. Yes.
What is the BFE for the Orleans Parish right now?
It varies by zone. If you want to look at the mapping on the areas that have been out in the open houses, there's 2 sources. The easiest one to use is the LSUAgCenter.com. Okay. The second one, which gives you a lot more detail, is called RiskMap6.com. RiskMap, the number 6.com. And that will even give you the rollout. It will give you all the timeline on it and everything on RiskMap6 is FEMA site.
Okay.
That's the mapping engineer site on it. And right now, you're really not seeing anything for St. Tammany on it. Okay? Again, we've got to move from what we have to deal with now. Okay? So the first thing I want you to understand is that, you know, we talked about the January changes. We talked about now new business. So new business is being written by agents on the current flood insurance rate map in effect for St. Tammany, the city of Slidell, and the other municipalities within the St. Tammany Parish. And the same thing's true if I write a new business in Venetian Isles today. I'm using the firm that's in effect for Orleans Parish as the date that I write that. Okay? It's not going to be the date. It's not going to be the date of the future adoption. It's the date that I write it. What is the zone? What is the the base flood elevation, which is a 1% chance of flooding in any given year. And where am I in reference to it? Yes.
Okay, when the October 1st changes roll around, this is for new business and renewals for the pre-firm?
I'm going to get to that. You're jumping ahead of me. Okay.
Anything going on in St. Bernard? I mean, what's going to happen? Like the people that,
Half those people, yeah.
I mean, you know, like I own a home in St. Bernard that are rent out. Is that going to, because I'm not living there 80%, is that going to affect me?
If you're renting a home out in St. Bernard and it's indicated it's a non-primary residence and it's a pre-firm construction built before 1974, you will start seeing a 25% increase. However, if it was originally written as a principal residence, companies at this point are using that as reliable data and will not give it the increase, okay? If you were written as a non-principal residence, you will get a letter with your bill that says that this is incorrect, sign it and return to us, and we will reverse it. However, we will police it at the time of a claim. Because we, on a single-family residence that's lived in 80% of the time, okay, and you insure it 80% or more, we will pay replacement costs on that dwelling. On an adjustment basis. If it's not lived in 80% of the time, we're not going to replace on a replacement cost adjustment basis. We're going to depreciate it and then pay that value. Okay? So I want you to understand that. I need to move through because I know we want to